Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Holywell Close, which is located in St Anne's Park. And we're at this one bedroom, freehold, detached coach house. Comes with an allocated parking space, a garage and a private garden. It's been priced at $220. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in viewing this property, or equally, if you'd like a valuation of one of your own properties, feel free to give us a call using the details below. Many thanks!